Hey guys, in this quick video, I want to share with you the two software that are completely for free for church presentation software. So the first one that is like the one that I really like is called Free Show. Now you gotta have like free and feature-rich compatible to paid alternatives, modern sleek UI similar to ProPresenter. Also, great live streaming without the converters or SDI cables. Cloud Sync works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and can add Bible translations for free. So this one is like very good. And for you to actually check out, you see right here the Free Show that how many things you have completely for free. And this one also great reviews. So the Free Show is a very interesting one, but so the open source means it can be like you can have like some bugs there. So that's something to be aware of. No proper documentation. I'm going to prepare like online guide for you. So that's good. And also maybe like advanced features that you actually have with the ProPresenter. Maybe you're not going to have it here. So that's like important thing. Now another one is Open LP. So this is like something that you can also check out for yourself. It's free and open source. You can have cross-platform. So you actually have the songs, media, Bibles, custom slides, presentations, everything with that. Stage display accessibility. And the cons that you have like multi-language support for displaying two languages simultaneously is lacking. Video background support is also not very good. Also the design is like okay-ish, but it's not something like insane. And also the learning curve is higher there. So I just wanted to share with you like these two tools. Maybe it's going to be beneficial on your journey. Primarily like the Free Show, I really like it. So that's something for you to actually like check out. And I hope it's going to be beneficial for you. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye.